Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. These cards are for your relationship, Leos. And these cards are for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Fairy Tale Oracle deck. So that will be a general guidance. So this is the card. So that may clear some doubts or confusion we have in our mind about our situation, guys. So Leos, let's start with these cards here. We have Lady of Suns, the Devil in reverse and the Moon. So Leos, with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your personal life in this relationship, or it may be in your career situation, these energies. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, there is someone really close to you. It may be this person you love. They are guiding you. They are giving you suggestions based on their experience, and this person is really sweet, loving, caring, and they want to protect you, and they are simply so beautiful, so wonderful. And this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys, and you are making this person wonder like from where you have come. It may be they feel that you are someone like someone like a fairy, making them wonder, making them so happy, inspiring them in every way, in every possible way, and they feel really happy to be with you, guys. And you have a way of making this person understand their true self, guys. Maybe the way you inspire them towards the right things to do in your situation, and this person knows what needs to be done today, maybe in their career or in life, in this relationship. So you inspire them in a very positive way, guys, Leos. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys, and they are really concerned about you, or you are really concerned about them. That honest intentions, positive intentions towards this person you love, and your intuition is guiding you today, guys. Maybe for some of you this may be a person, maybe you would have this person may be your karmic connection, guys. You would have been with this person in your past life. That may be the reason for this level of inspiration, that deep connectedness with each other, and you would have felt really familiar with them even at the first time. So they are someone you were in love with for many lifetimes together, guys. Maybe for some of you, that is what I see, guys. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. So we picked 3 cards here. So we have Prophetess of Moons, the Burning Tower in reverse, and 5 of Suns. So with these cards, guys, in your relationship, Leos, maybe for some of you, you are simply in. So Leos, for some of you, I see that in this relationship, you are, facing some troubles, maybe some obstacles. This person is loving, honest, and they have true intentions towards you. But you are facing some difficulties, maybe because of the way your life is going in your career situation. There may be some difficulties. So that may affect the way this relationship is going, guys. And this person is helping you, guiding you. They are a good friend, honest, and they have a huge experience and they are devoted to you, loyal, they have a great wisdom. So they are giving you valuable suggestions, guys, Leos, and you feel really balanced and harmonious with this person you love. So you are what to say, overcoming all the those difficulties together, guys, with this person. So they are there with you through thick and thin of this love, of this connection, because this person may be your karmic destiny. So that is the reason for that familiarity, that understanding you both share with each other, guys, Leos. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. We have Justice in reverse, 10 of Spheres, and the Empress in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, people working with you, they may treat you in a bad way, guys. They have different opinions about you. They feel that you are not working well or you are not responsible enough. Maybe the true thing, maybe they are not responsible enough like you, guys. That may be the reason. They are quite careless or lethargic. That may be the reason for troubles you see. But they are simply blaming you for all the bad things happening in your career situation. Maybe some delays or suspensions of work you may see in your situation, guys. And I also see that for some of you, you are moving to a different place for work, guys. There is also a travel involved in your career situation, Leos. So that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is your oracle guidance for you all today. It is Fairy Tale Oracle, guys. Don the Golden Hat, duty. So this card just means that each and every one of us have our own responsibilities, guys, and when we are honest, when we are doing our duty, whatever is the rightful action in our career, the same way in our relationship, when we are going for that right actions, we will get rewarded, guys. And maybe today people may not recognize our worth or our work, but at the right time we will feel we will get our recognition and success will reach us, guys. And true love will surely find us if we have that authenticity towards our work and towards our relationship. It will surely be rewarded, guys. So that is the energy, that is the oracle guidance for your Leos with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.